Hey everyone, this is Joel Morales. Thank you so much for exploring the Ai.Informed channel. Today, we're going to be covering what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is everywhere now. We have this as part of our driving routines, as part of our coffee making routines, as what we use to help edit photos on our cameras, on our smartphones. Artificial intelligence, we speak to it on switchboards when we call in different businesses. AI is something that is really finding its way into every corner of our lives, just about. It helps processes security camera decisions on whether if someone is actually stealing something from grocery store shelves. It helps process driving decisions in cars that have full autonomous driving capability. It is this thing that is becoming more and more powerful, more and more productive, potentially more and more dangerous. And it's really important now more than ever to understand what exactly is artificial intelligence. And so today, I'm going to share a definition with you that I really, really like. And for me to do that, I've got to go over to Microsoft's website. And on the Microsoft website, one of the things they mention is that artificial intelligence is all kinds of different, right now, philosophical and social terms, but I really like the way they defined it. Is AI is a software that exhibits one or more human-like capabilities. It's just software, everybody. That's all it is. It's just software, at least right now. For now, during this recording in 2023. With this software that exhibits human-like capabilities, there are certain capabilities that I want to zero in on today that really gives you the broad picture of what artificial intelligence is actually capable of and getting better at every single day. So one of the very first areas that I want to cover today is something called visual perception. And visual perception is exactly what it sounds like. It is the ability to give computers the ability to have vision. It's actually called computer vision. And computer vision is something that gives that AI the ability to ingest data from images, from different video recordings, as well as live monitoring cameras, to be able to analyze the data and then actually make real world decisions based off of what it actually sees. And this is huge for almost every single industry that exists, but especially for healthcare. Because with healthcare, you now have the ability to have AI be able to find patterns between different X-ray images or MRI or CAT scans, and it can now use the fact that it's been trained on thousands and thousands and thousands of different images. It can start to more accurately detect disease and actually be a tool to better diagnose and better prescribe for patient care. So that's right there, it's amazing in its ability to do that. Another key area that computer vision is providing value is with autonomous driving. You see this on the road all the time right now with Tesla, where every Tesla has multiple cameras, being able to see around the car to detect what other cars are doing. And the more and more that these cars are on the road, and the more miles they clock and the longer they're on the road, the smarter they're becoming. This is actually how computer vision enables something called machine learning, where machines can actually, the more you show it an image or something, machines will actually grow in what's called their confidence ability to be able to understand exactly what they're looking at. So a great example of this confidence I'm telling you about is found under Microsoft's AI services called computer vision. And in this computer vision example, we're actually looking at an image of a young man who's holding a drink. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically share this image with the Azure computer service, and we're going to see if the computer service can detect what exactly it's looking at. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to pass this over to computer vision in Azure, and then from there we're going to actually test to see what it detects. And as it turns out, it's looking at a particular image with a human. It's got a human face, clothing. It's 91% sure that it's a man. It's 91% sure that he has a drink in his hand. It's 91% sure that it's a soft drink. 85% that he's actually drinking it. And these numbers actually dictate the legitimate confidence score of what it's actually looking at. And it's also determining if there's any kind of adult, racy, or gory content. And it is doing this all based off of the fact that I passed this image to the AI for it to determine what it was looking at. So now that we've covered a couple of examples of video perception with computer vision, in my next video, we're going to be covering AI's ability to interpret and generate speech and text, which is going to be really awesome. So of course, if you like what you saw today, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. It really does support the channel. And of course, as we continue on this journey together in learning and growing and understanding more about this thing called artificial intelligence, we will all be more AI informed. Thanks so much, everyone, and we'll see you next time.